Residents in North Lubbock say they are tired of being woken up in the middle of the night by blaring train horns. They say they've been dealing with this for 2 years now, ever since the road's wayside horns broke. Those horns are meant to keep the sound down for the neighbors. KMAC's Juliana Washburn joins us from North Lubbock. The train tracks up there. And Juliana, what's slowing down these repairs?
Well, Lauren, as you can see, I just need to show you how close the houses are to the railroad tracks. They are right next to each other, and that's why these wayside horns are important. They keep the sound, like you said, from going out to the neighbors and keep it onto the railroad tracks so that it's just limited to the cars hearing it. But these residents feel like their concerns haven't been heard, and the sound's just unbearable to them.
If we know the train is coming, we run inside the house and close the door. That's all you can do.
For over 2 years, Alice Lozada and her neighbors have woken up to this sound.
There was a train that went by at 1, at 3, at 4, at 6 in the morning. It disrupts your sleep. And of course, it's like, geez, will we get any relief?
Lozada and the city working together to get the noise down.
It's frustrating, and I can understand the citizens' perspective. We want a solution immediately because, at night, they're the ones that have to wake up to that very loud sound.
The city funding the money to fix the wayside horns, but at this point, it's not up to the city anymore to fix it.
We've done our part. Now BNSF needs to do theirs.
BNSF Railway promising an estimate on how much the fix is going to cost, but neighbors haven't seen any progress yet.
We've reached out to our state representative and trying to also utilize his authority to try to get this prompted a little bit faster.
Well, we have to continue to endure what we do. We live in this neighborhood. It's very difficult at this point to try to relocate or move somewhere else.
Lozada, she's just hoping for a good night's sleep soon.
It would be a big relief once those wayside horns are installed.
So BNSF actually just reached out to me to let me know that they're working on that repair estimate to see how much it'll cost, and they'll let the city know. And we'll be keeping an eye out for that because that'll be the first step for these neighbors getting relief. In North Lubbock, Juliana Washburn at KMAC News.